What's going on in here, huh? Hmm? Luto muna ako guys ng tawag dito. Luto muna ako ng corned beef. Corned beef na bilhin namin. Lang isang araw. Agoy guys. Yung pantry. Ano naman. Ayan. So, ayan. Hindi na naman maayos yung pantry, guys. Mag-aayos na naman ako nito. Ayan. Yes. Ha? Plate? Look what you did. Look. Ayan. May butas, oh. Look. Look. Did you do that? Did you do that? Huh? You're in trouble. You're in trouble now.
I got printing in the door.
Did you do that?
In the refrigerator.
You pushed so hard the refrigerator, the door of the refrigerator. That's why that happened.
That's why it's have a house.
Yeah, that's why.
It's have a rocket.
Ikaw, ha?
No, some plate.
So, for what?
For the food.
Just... Ay, naku, Sawyer. Oh, just put it in here. Hey, here. Put it in here.
Put it in
Yeah. So, ito guys, ang aking lulutuin. Ang Argentina na corned beef. Is it good? Is it good?
Apple.
Oh, where is your iPad now? Find it to Sisi's room. Go. And guys, so may kamuti din ako guys na niluto. Kasalang ko pa lang yung ating corned beef. Kumakain na si Sawyer guys ng corned beef at rice. Yummy? So ayan guys, kakain na ako ng corned beef with rice. Tapos pork na tocino kahapon na leftover. Kainin ko siya. Tapos kape. Ayan. Hindi pa luto yung aking kamote guys. So mamaya ko na siya kakainin. Dahil hindi pa luto. So kain tayo guys ng breakfast.
Lemonade makes me cough. It's itchy.
I think because it's sour.
Beneath the layers of sealant, he finds the answer. Bingo. Cracks in a critical support beam called a Z-stringer. It's the piece that the plane's skin was directly attached to.
Alright, we finished cleaning this off and get some pictures, okay?
The corned beef is salty, huh?
Cruikshank finds evidence that Chuck's mechanics had tried to repair the stringer.
It appears that they did some grinding on this Z-stringer to remove.
Kakatapos ko lang kumain guys ng leftover na pork tocino at saka Argentina na corned beef. Tapos luto na rin yung aking kamote. Busog pa naman ako, so mamaya ko ito siya kakainin. So ayan guys, marami na naman akong hugasin. Ayan. Yung ginamit nila Sam at si Shelton kanina guys. Ito puno na. So kailangan ko na siyang lagyan ng sabon. Ito yung panglagay ng sabon. sa dishwasher, guys. Ito na nilagay. Tapos, maghugas na ako dito. Para matapos na ako. At maglalaba pa ako, guys. Mother ka diha, Ron. Gonna break it. What? $15?
Yeah. I'll pay you back my money when I do Daddy's rent.
No. I don't have any money, cash. I don't have that.
Mad at brother?
Yeah, it's mad.
Why were you mad at brother?
Because it's just like,
Where is brother's ring? Did you lost it?
yeah, I don't want it.
You don't want
it?
Why?
Where did you put it?
Because I lost it. Because
Why did you lose brother's ring?
Because I can't find
Put in there.
it.
I know you can't find it, but why did you lose it?
Because I don't find it.
Well,
Because
why
I
did
don't.
you lose it?
Because I don't want it.
We're going in circles. I understand you don't want it, but why did you lose it?
May ubo ako, guys. Nag-start to kahapon. Ano ba yan? Uminom na ako ng Mucinex. Parang ano ba, Makati yung lalamunan ko at saka yung nagbi-burn yung aking chest. Yung dibdib ko, guys. Buti lang si Sawyer, hindi pa nahawa. Lagi itong tumatabi sa akin.
Mommy, I got your ice cream.
Someone is very happy.
Mommy, I got your ice cream, Mommy. Sawyer's ice cream.
Wow.
Fries? Yeah, I got you fries. Come on. Come on.
Yummy.
See how fast he put that ice
I
cream
know.
down? Oh, whoa. Whoa.
Wow. Is this mine? Is this mine, hon?
Well, yeah, nobody else has got one.
Oh, wow.
Right here.
Mm.
Oh, sorry.
Got it, Sawyer.
Give him fries.
You want to fry?
Kahit may ubo.
say on that one.
Binilhan pala ako guys ng ice cream. May ubo ako pero hala sige. Kain pa rin.
Is it good? Whoa.
Kahit may ubo. Ice cream pa din.
Your ice cream, boy, he jump up so quick. Woo. You want to put the top back on? Oh, okay. Here, Daddy help you. Okay.
It's like melting.
Yeah.
You've been waiting there?
I think he wants the top back off. I don't know what he wants. We went and cleaned up. I didn't wash the carpet. We vacuumed it out and wiped it.
Which car yours?
Yeah, I gotta do that.
I cleaned the rims.
I'm gonna do the Odyssey tomorrow. I
Mmm.
probably won't go out tomorrow. Well, tomorrow's St. Patty's Day. I probably will because that's a big drinking night.
Dami?
Yeah.
So good. Happy
Daddy,
Sawyer?
get you ice cream.
He's so quick to get out.
Oh my God, he's so quick to put the iPad down.
When you said, I buy mommy an ice cream, he get up so
Daddy
quick.
got you ice cream and mommy ice cream. Oh,
Kahit may ubo
so
guys. Oh.
sweet. Daddy's gonna take a bath. We're filling up with gas. We're ready to roll. Ready to roll.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Yan yung umiyak kanina kasi gusto talaga niya ng ano. Ice cream. Akala ko hindi niya ko bibilhan kasi may ubo ako.
We need fruit. I need stuff for work and
Yeah.
all that stuff, you know.
Dad?
Nagutom ako guys, so initin ko muna yung spaghetti dito na leftover Jollibee spaghetti. Inatin natin sa microwave. Ayan. Nakatulog si Sawyer guys, ayan. Antok na antok siya kanina. Tapos humingi sa akin ng gatas. Niready ko na. Nakatulog. Kain tayo guys. Parang makapaos yung boses ko. Dahil sa ubo. Kuha lang ko ng pandesal. Masarap pa rin yung lasa sa Jollibee sa Pinas. Iba talaga pag original. Pero Jollibee naman to. Jollibee spaghetti naman to siya. Pero iba talaga ang lasa sa Pinas na spaghetti. Kakaiba. Tapos, mamaya si Sam kakain. Yung kamuti ko guys, bukas ko nang kakainin. Tapos na ako sa baba, guys. Dito naman ako sa taas. Dahil maglalaba ako ng mga damit namin na madudumi. Tara! Ayan, guys. Yung aming laundry room. Ay, nako. Balik na naman sa dati. Ihiwalay ko lang yung decoder sa putik, guys. Iniba ko yung guys, yung mga damit ng mga damit nila Samantha at saka ni Shelton. Iniba ko siya. Damit namin ni Upaw at saka ni Sawyer ay inisa ko lang siya. Tapos na guys, white doon kay Sam at saka kay Shelton at saka sa amin ni Sawyer at saka yung sa asawa ko, guys. Ngayon, ilagay na natin sa washing machine. Hayaan ko muna siya dyan, guys. Matapos